On your mark. Get set. Go!
Me!
Me?
Yeah.
Does Jackson want to go?
Yeah.
Here we go. Watch out. Here comes Jackson. All right, Jax. He's asking for it. Knock him over. Ready? There he goes. Woo! Bonk. Good job, Jax. Go, Sean, go. He's stuck. Oh, no. Go, Sean, go. Oh, no sled. Whoa. Crash. Crash. Get off of him. Are you okay? Do we need the ski patrol? Do we need the ski patrol? Oh, no.
Oh, it's right here. Oh.
You're such a spaz. Sean, you're gonna break the neighbor's windows. Nice job. All right, Jax, ready? On your mark. Whoa! Get set. Go! Whee! Watch out! Here comes Tyler! Ah! Nice job. Was that fun?
Yep.
You like sled riding?
Yep.
On your mark. Get set. Go!
Is it my turn?
Your mark. Get set. Go! Watch for Jackson. Watch out. What? Ew, are you really eating snow? Ew! Ew! You're licking it. What is that, a snow cone?
Yep.
Sean's building a fort over there. Sean, how's your igloo coming?
Not very good right now.
Is this falling? We're gonna build a snowman. Ty, you struggling? Ty, go down on your bum like you do it for the camera. Go down on just your bum. I'll get you. Okay, ready?
Mama, yeah.
No sled required. Whee! Tyler ran into two sleds. Oh, what did he do to your sled?
Dang.
Tyler, will you bring that sled up? What? Cheese! Sean eating his usual snow. That is so gross. What if a deer peed there? Jax, do you like sled riding?
Me.